What's going on, everyone? If you're into filming your adventures, creating content, or just want a camera that can handle anything you throw at it, this video's for you. Today, we're taking a look at some of the best action cameras out right now that deliver crisp video, killer stabilization, and rugged performance built for any environment. Whether you're hitting the trails, diving underwater, or just stepping up your content game, these cameras won't let you down. All the links are down below. Let's get into it. Meet the Insta360 GO Ultra. When it comes to capturing life's most exciting moments, size usually means compromise. But with the Insta360 GO Ultra, the rules have changed. This tiny powerhouse, weighing just 53 grams, is as small as a watch, yet delivers cinematic 4K 60 FPS video with stunning clarity. Designed for hands-free use, it clips onto hats, straps, or mounts with magnetic accessories, giving users true POV freedom without bulky gear. For adventurers, creators, and athletes, this camera is a creative companion that fits in your pocket but performs like a pro setup. The GO Ultra stands out with its 1/1.28-inch sensor, 5 nanometers AI chip, and pure video mode, ensuring rich details even in challenging low light. Add to that active HDR, a wide 156 degrees FOV, and 2x clarity zoom, and you get vibrant footage day or night. Its flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock keep every shot silky smooth, whether you're cycling, diving, or running. Battery life impresses too, with 200 minutes in the Action Pod, plus rapid charging from 0 to 80% in just 12 minutes. Waterproofing up to 33 feet, and up to 197 feet with a dive case makes it perfect for aquatic adventures. Smart features like gesture control, Apple Find My tracking, and auto AI editing add layers of convenience. For anyone who loves documenting life without limits, the Insta360 GO Ultra is more than a camera, it's a creative tool. From epic outdoor adventures to casual everyday vlogs, this compact device lets users capture immersive, stabilized, and dynamic footage effortlessly. It's the ultimate pick for those who want professional quality in the smallest form factor. Second on the list is the GoPro MAX2, GoPro's boldest move yet for capturing life in full immersive detail. With its ability to capture true 8K 360 video, users never have to worry about framing or missing a shot. The camera records everything around you with stunning clarity, offering up to 21% more resolution than the competition. Later, footage can be reframed into standard 4K videos with ease through the GoPro Quick app, making it simple to share cinematic clips on social media or playback on any device. Feature-wise, the MAX2 is packed with tools that push creativity to new levels. It supports 29-megapixel 360 photos, slow motion in 4K 100 or 5.6K 60 FPS, and delivers smooth, stable results thanks to max hypersmooth stabilization and 360 horizon lock. Its 6-microphone array records immersive, wind-reduced audio, while replaceable optical glass lenses ensure durability in tough conditions. With invisible pole mounting, creators can capture drone-like angles and third-person shots without extra gear. Add in night effects, time-lapse in 8K, scheduled capture, and compatibility with over 35 GoPro accessories, and this camera becomes one of the most versatile tools in action filmmaking. For adventurers, vloggers, and pro-level content creators, the GoPro MAX2 stands out as the ultimate blend of durability, creativity, and convenience. Whether diving, skiing, or shooting cinematic travel edits, it provides unmatched freedom to capture and share stunning visuals. This is the camera to choose if you want pro-level results in a rugged, all-in-one package. Coming in next is the DJI Osmo 360, where buttery smooth 360 degrees footage meets DJI's rock-solid stabilization. Built for creators who never sit still, packed into a compact body, this camera delivers native 8K 360 degrees video and 120 megapixel photos, making it one of the most powerful action cameras available today. Its 1-inch dual imaging sensors ensure sharp, vibrant footage even in low light, while the f1.9 aperture and super night mode enhance nighttime recording. For vloggers and adventurers alike, switching from 360 degrees capture to single-lens action mode is seamless, thanks to its magnetic quick-release design. Performance is where the Osmo 360 truly shines. It supports 8K at 30 FPS recording for 100 minutes and even higher frame rates like 4K at 120 FPS for ultra-smooth action. With horizon steady stabilization and rock steady 3.0, shaky footage becomes a thing of the past, even in extreme sports. The invisible selfie stick effect adds a professional, drone-like perspective without extra gear. Plus, its 105 GB built-in storage eliminates the constant worry of carrying microSD cards, while Wi-Fi 6.0 and USB 3.1 ensure fast transfers. Audio is equally immersive thanks to 4 microphones that reduce wind noise and capture clean directional sound. For anyone serious about capturing adventures, sports, or creative content, the DJI Osmo 360 camera is a top-tier investment. It combines professional-grade 8K video, rugged waterproofing, and intuitive editing tools in one package. Whether you're skiing, diving, or vlogging your travels, this camera is built to deliver breathtaking results with ease. It's not just an action camera, it's a full storytelling tool. Next on the list is the Insta360 X5, a next-gen 360 degrees beast that turns every angle into pure cinematic gold. This is not just an upgrade, it's a powerhouse for creators who want cinematic quality footage in any condition. With its ability to capture native 8K 360 degrees video using dual 1/1.28-inch sensors, it delivers detail and color that truly stand out. Even in low light or night settings, the triple AI chip design ensures crisp visuals with reduced noise. Add to that the invisible selfie stick effect, and you instantly unlock drone-like third-person shots without extra gear, making this camera a dream for adventurers, vloggers, and content creators alike. When it comes to performance, the Insta360 X5 doesn't hold back. It features flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock. So even during skiing, biking, or extreme sports, footage remains buttery smooth. The camera is waterproof up to 15 meters, has a battery life of up to 208 minutes, and supports hypercharging to 80% in just 20 minutes. Perfect for those who don't want to miss a moment. Rugged replaceable lenses ensure durability, while the upgraded wind guard and 4-mic array keep audio clear and immersive. With Insta Frame mode, you can instantly export shareable flat videos or dive into AI-assisted reframing later. Overall, the Insta360 X5 is more than an action camera. It's a complete creative tool. From capturing jaw-dropping 72-megapixel 360 degrees photos to recording immersive 8K footage, it brings professional-grade results into a compact, durable design. For anyone looking to elevate their content, whether for sports, travel, or storytelling, this camera is an easy recommendation. It's built for creators who want every shot to look epic, no matter the conditions. Finally, rounding out our list is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a rugged, versatile action cam that packs pro-level features in a pocket-sized powerhouse. It's not just about capturing the moment, it's about capturing it with detail, stability, and clarity that rivals professional gear. From extreme sports to casual vlogging, this camera is built to handle it all with style. With its advanced 1/1.3-inch sensor, 2.4 micrometers pixels, and 13.5 stop dynamic range, it delivers crystal-clear imagery even in low light. Add 4K at 120 FPS video recording, and you have buttery smooth footage that feels cinematic every time. When it comes to usability, DJI nailed it. The dual OLED high-brightness touchscreens make framing and playback effortless, even under bright sunlight. It's a 4-nanometer high-performance chip that ensures fast subject tracking, keeping moving subjects perfectly centered. With 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization, every clip stays rock solid, no matter how rough the ride. The battery provides up to 4 hours of runtime and even performs at -20 degrees Celsius, making it an all-weather powerhouse. Plus, the IP68 waterproof rating up to 20 meters means it's ready for diving, skiing, or rainy adventures without a case. On top of its imaging power, this camera is packed with creator-focused tools. DJI Osmo audio connectivity ensures pro-level wireless audio. Its 47 GB built-in storage and Wi-Fi 6.0 and USB 3.0 high-speed transfers make file handling quick and simple. For vloggers, athletes, and travelers, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a perfect mix of performance, durability, and convenience. If you're ready to upgrade your content and never miss a moment, this is the camera to get. That's it for today's lineup of top action cameras. Whether you're out on an adventure or leveling up your content, these cameras deliver the quality and durability you need. Check the links below if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more.